Welcome to this lesson on differential equations. Today, we are going to master one of the most fundamental concepts in calculus, finding the order of a differential equation. This is usually the very first thing you learn in this topic, and it is crucial for everything that follows. Before we define order, let's quickly recall what a differential equation actually is. Simply put, it is an equation that relates a function, its variable, and its derivatives. If you see a derivative, like di by dx, or y prime, or y double prime, you are looking at a differential equation. So, what is the order? The definition is straightforward. The order of a differential equation is simply the order of the highest derivative appearing in that equation. You do not need to solve the equation. You just need to look at it and find the term that has been differentiated the most number of times. You will see derivatives written in two main ways. First, Leibniz notation using d's. Here, you look at the superscript number on the d second, prime notation using tick marks. Y prime is order 1. Y double prime is order 2. Y triple prime is order 3. Just count the ticks or look at the number. Let's look at some first-order examples. In the first equation, we have di by dx equal to 3x plus 5. The highest derivative here is the first derivative, di by dx. So, the order is 1. The same applies to the other examples. Even if the equation looks complicated, if the highest derivative is just a first derivative, it is a first-order equation. Now for second-order equations. Look at the first example. Y double prime plus 4y prime plus 4y equals 0. We have both a first derivative and a second derivative. But remember, the rule is to find the highest one. Since y double prime is higher than y prime, the order is 2. This logic extends to any number. If you see a third derivative, like y triple prime, it's order 3. If you see a fourth derivative, written as d4y by dx4, it is order 4. For derivatives higher than 3, we usually use a number in parentheses instead of tick marks to keep it readable. A common mistake is confusing order with degree. They are not the same. Order is identifying the highest derivative. Degree is the power or exponent raised to that highest derivative. In the example shown, even though the first derivative has a power of 5, the second derivative is the boss determining the order. So the order is 2. Why do we care about this? Because the order tells us how difficult the equation will be to solve. A first-order equation usually has one general solution with one constant. A second-order equation, like those used in physics for acceleration, will have two constants and needs more information to solve. It helps us choose the right mathematical tool for the job. To summarize, always look for the highest derivative. Ignore the exponents for now, just focus on how many times the function has been differentiated. If you can spot the highest derivative, you have found the order. It is that simple. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.